Hey guys, it's Johnny. This is my 1969 Yamaha 125cc Enduro AT1 gas tank. This is original color, original paint. It does have a couple little here's and there's, but for the most part it's in some really fancy good condition. It still has the area to put the emblem in there with the looks like original screws. Gross. So could get a new plate for that if we wanted to. About 1/3 of a petcock left, which is fine. There's some patina rust going on there a little bit. In the rear here, we have our attachment. You can see that somebody had a seat on there at one point that maybe didn't quite fit the frame right and was given a little bit of rub, wear and tear there on the gas tank. That does happen commonly with the Enduros, people wanting to switch the seats. So that is something you'll see quite often, unfortunately. We got one of those, what I commonly call just a baseball dent. That can be from any number of amazing stories somebody probably has told. Unfortunately, like we usually will see in these type of tanks, we're going to see a bunch of rust in there. This will have to be washed out with some boric acid and resealed. My friend does a mixture of ammonia and vinegar, which is, I don't know which one's worse. Good luck to you if you have to do that. We also have an excessive amount of corrosion on the gas tank cap here, which is in not actually too bad a condition. I don't know if any of you are tattoo freaks like I am out there, but I'll tell you what, that'd be a pretty cool symbol to get somewhere. Yeah, I'm one of those guys. Let's look at the underside here real quick, and we'll give us a kind of an idea of what we're looking at here. Some deterioration, a little spider web in there. We still have our mounting gaskets here, which are great. They're kind of in sorry condition, but can be cleaned up pretty well. Once again, our petcock there is also looking a little bit sorry, but we'll get that replaced and fixed up. Shouldn't be too big of a deal. Anyway, I just wanted to show this bad baby off here and hopefully make somebody a little jealous. Just kidding. So anyway, just a shout out there on a beautiful gas tank, 1969 Yamaha 125 AT1.